Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Don, and on this channel we discuss social work, mental health, and lifestyle. And today we're going to be discussing social work related content, and that is how much social workers make. Now, this is a very controversial topic that I don't think should be controversial. I think it's really important to know what you're getting yourself into financially if you decide to pursue this career, as well as ways to pivot if you find yourself in a salary bracket that you don't really like. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep watching. Factors to consider includes location, as well as the state of our economy, as well as your specialization or perhaps your setting that you're interested in working in. So if you're working in a healthcare setting, that may look different than a school setting versus a community mental health agency versus integrated care versus private practice. It really just depends on where you're working. I know a lot of people who came out of grad school and they worked for the state. They took a position working in children, youth, and family services, and that really increased their starting salary versus perhaps a mental health agency. Also, your licensure, I think, is really important to determine whether or not this position requires you to have your license, whether or not it requires you to have a master of social work from a CSWE accredited institution. It's social work is different than a social service professional. It's different than nonprofit, although social workers can work in the nonprofit sector. I plan to do another video on that, so let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do like a video on unique social work positions. But again, these are your common ones. These are the average. I think the biggest factor for this conversation to consider in terms of how much social workers make is negotiating. That is one key factor that I found in my 30K salary increase, is that I had to learn how to negotiate and ask for my value. And I created a formula for myself that has worked successfully to determine my worth and my value, as well as a salary range that is satisfactory for me. And I am so excited to bring that to you as part of my professional development services that I offer through Donzel Lampkins counseling and consulting services. If you are interested in working with me to learn more about that formula, to learn more about how you can negotiate the salary that you are worth, whether you are currently in a role that you would like to be paid more in, or you're looking to be paid more in the next position that you take. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please email me at donzellampkins@gmail.com, or simply visit my big cartel in the description box below to schedule your appointment today. Thanks so much for watching, and until I see you next time, be you, be great.